In this video, I'll show you how to connect a USB drive and how to transfer files between your iPad 11 with the A16 chip and your drive. So let's get started right away. The iPad only has one port, and this is a USB Type-C port on the bottom. Most USB drives these days are USB Type-A, and they look like this one. If you intend to use one of these on your iPad, you will absolutely need an adapter, and there's many of them on the market. This one is made by Apple, and I always recommend it because it's very reliable. I'll put links in the description, by the way, if you want to get one of these, one of that, or anything that will show you in this video. So you simply have to connect one end, the USB Type-A part, in the adapter. Whoops, sorry. Just like that, and the USB Type-C in the iPad. Now, if you do not have a USB drive, what I recommend is to get one of these that have a USB Type-A port and on the other side a USB Type-C connector. So you can connect it in many computers and in the iPad and probably your smartphone as well. So if you have one of these, obviously it's much more direct, since you simply have to connect it in the port just like that. Now, once the USB drive is connected to the iPad, if you want to transfer files, we need to go into the Files app. You don't need to download it. It's already included with your iPad. So simply swipe towards the right completely, where you're going to see your app library. Tap on the top over here to search files. So you're going to type files. As you see, it's right over here. Tap on it to open. Simply press this icon, okay? And you're going to get all your menu on the left side. From here, you can access all the files that are on your iPad, and down below, you're going to see connected your USB drive. Mine is USB 128. Your USB drive will probably have another name, so check out under on my iPad. It should be located there. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see all the different files that are on your drive. So this is what you see currently, and you'll be able to open them. If it's a movie, you'll be able to watch it, pictures, everything. If you want to transfer something that is on your drive to your iPad or from your iPad to the drive, first of all, go where the file is. Let's say I want to transfer these 3 pictures over here. In that case, all you have to do is to click the 3 dots on the top right corner, choose Select, and now select all the files or folders that you want to transfer. Then you're going to go down below on your screen, and you're going to click on More, and you're going to select Copy. Now, you need to go on the folder where you want to copy these files that you have selected. So I'll click over here to open the side menu. I'll go on my iPad. There's nothing currently on my iPad. So all you have to do is to keep press anywhere on the screen, and you can paste, or you can create a new folder. Let's say I want to call it Files from Drive. Okay, I have created a new folder. Tap on your new folder and then long press anywhere and select paste, and all the files will be transferred in this new folder. So you can do this both ways. Once you're done using your drive, there's no way to eject it over here, not like on a Mac. You simply can disconnect it. It will disappear, and this is it. Make sure to remove it after your files are transferred, obviously, so nothing gets lost. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment and again, check my Amazon links, subscribe, like, comment. Even if it's negative, just leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.